Have you ever heard of a place where ships and planes just vanish? Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, one of the world's biggest and most chilling mysteries. This strange patch of the Atlantic Ocean, nestled between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has been called the Devil's Triangle for decades. But what's really going on there? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. The legend of the Bermuda Triangle exploded in the 1940s, and one case stands out above all others. Flight 19, on a clear day in 1945. 5 U.S. Navy planes set off on a routine training mission. Everything was normal until it wasn't. The pilots started reporting bizarre compass readings. Over the radio, they sounded confused, lost. Then, suddenly, complete silence. All communication was gone. The 5 planes and the 14 men on board were never seen or heard from again. But the story gets even stranger. A rescue aircraft, a massive Martin Mariner plane with 13 crew members, was sent to search for Flight 19. That plane also vanished. No wreckage, no distress call, nothing. It was as if it had been wiped from the sky. This incredible incident stunned the world and cemented the Bermuda Triangle's terrifying reputation. Following the Flight 19 disaster, more and more stories began to surface. Gigantic cargo ships disappearing without a trace. Some vessels were found drifting aimlessly, completely abandoned, with food still on the table, but no crew in sight. Others were just gone, leaving no debris, no life rafts, and no survivors. The questions began to pile up. What force could make entire ships and planes disappear so completely? This is where the wild theories come in. Some people are convinced that the Bermuda Triangle is a hotspot for alien activity. They believe UFOs are abducting ships and planes, pulling them into another dimension or taking them to another world. Another popular idea is that the area is a time warp, a portal where unsuspecting travelers slip through the fabric of time, never to return. And then there's the legend of the lost city of Atlantis. Believers say the ancient, highly advanced city lies at the bottom of the ocean, and its powerful energy crystals are still active, causing instruments to fail and vessels to disappear. But what does science have to say about all this? Well, the explanations are just as fascinating, if not as supernatural. One leading theory points to the region's incredibly volatile and unpredictable weather. Massive sudden storms can materialize out of nowhere. And then there are rogue waves, monstrous walls of water that can reach over 100 feet high, capable of swallowing even the largest ships in a matter of minutes. Another scientific explanation involves the Earth's magnetic field. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on the planet where true north and magnetic north align. This can cause compasses to go haywire, disorienting even the most experienced pilots and sailors and leading them fatally off course. There's also the methane gas theory. Scientists have discovered vast deposits of frozen methane gas trapped beneath the seabed in this area. If a pocket of this gas were to suddenly erupt, it would create a massive bubble on the ocean's surface. Any ship passing over this bubble would instantly lose its buoyancy and sink to the bottom of the ocean in seconds, leaving almost no trace. But here's the biggest twist of all. Many scientists and researchers argue that the Bermuda Triangle is no more dangerous than any other part of the ocean. They point out that this area is one of the most heavily trafficked shipping lanes in the world. With so many ships and planes passing through, it's statistically logical that more accidents would occur here. Many of the famous disappearances, they claim, have been exaggerated over time or have logical explanations that were simply ignored. Despite the scientific explanations, the mystery continues to capture our imagination. Even today, pilots and sailors report strange phenomena, instruments suddenly failing, radio signals cutting out, and an eerie feeling of being lost. So, what's the final verdict? Is the Bermuda Triangle just a natural danger zone with bad weather and a lot of traffic? Or is there something else lurking beneath the waves, something we can't yet explain? One thing is for certain. The Bermuda Triangle remains one of the world's most enduring and fascinating mysteries. What do you think is the real story behind the disappearances? Let us know in the comments below. For more mysterious stories explained simply, make sure to subscribe to Trend Xpress. Thanks for watching.